It all started with a grainy video in July 2025, a seemingly ordinary day that would soon become legendary in the automotive world. The footage, captured by a low-resolution security camera, showed something no one expected. BYD's chairman, Wang Chuanfu, was seen touring Xiaomi's brand-new car factory, personally guided by Xiaomi's visionary founder Lei Jun. The two titans of Chinese industry, both known for their relentless drive and innovation, were side by side, examining the latest in automotive technology. As they walked the floor together, their body language and animated discussions sparked a frenzy of speculation across the global auto industry. Was this a simple courtesy, or the beginning of something much bigger? This wasn't just a friendly visit, it was a carefully orchestrated public signal. The handshake in front of gleaming electric cars sent a message. The rules of competition were being rewritten, right before the world's eyes. Analysts and insiders immediately began to speculate. Was this the start of a historic merger, a groundbreaking tech alliance, or perhaps a new kind of co-opetition that Western automakers simply couldn't match? The possibilities seemed endless, and the stakes had never been higher. For decades, car companies had fought tooth and nail for market share, fiercely guarding their secrets, patents, and supply chains. The industry was built on rivalry, not partnership. But now two of China's biggest players were openly collaborating, hinting at a future where alliances and shared innovation could trump old-school competition. It was a bold move that challenged everything the industry thought it knew. The message to legacy automakers worldwide was unmistakable. The game had changed. The threat was no longer just about price or efficiency, it was about vision, adaptability, and the willingness to break with tradition. This visit was more than a photo opportunity. It was the opening act in a high-stakes drama that would force the entire industry to rethink its survival strategy, and perhaps, its very identity. Before that factory tour, let's rewind to a moment that sent shockwaves through the entire automotive world. BYD had already shaken the industry with a price war that no one saw coming. The announcement hit like a thunderbolt. Overnight, the rules of the game had changed. In early 2025, BYD slashed prices across its lineup, dropping the Seagull EV to just $7,765, a price that stunned the world. Suddenly, electric cars were no longer a luxury for the few, but an attainable reality for millions. Families, students, and first-time buyers flocked to dealerships, eager to get behind the wheel of a new EV. Global markets panicked as competitors realized they couldn't match BYD's prices without risking financial ruin. Stock prices of rival automakers tumbled, and boardrooms around the world scrambled to respond to the new threat. This wasn't desperation, it was a calculated move, leveraging BYD's scale, vertical integration, and unique business model to squeeze rivals. BYD's mastery of battery technology and in-house manufacturing gave it an edge no one else could match. Even within China, the move was controversial, with warnings that such aggressive tactics could bankrupt smaller suppliers and destabilize the market. Industry insiders debated whether BYD's strategy would ultimately strengthen or fracture the domestic auto sector. International automakers like Volkswagen refused to join the price war, but their market share quickly eroded. Showrooms that once bustled with customers now stood eerily quiet as buyers gravitated toward BYD's unbeatable deals. BYD wasn't just undercutting on price, it was redefining value, making it nearly impossible for legacy brands to justify their higher costs. The company's bold pricing forced the entire industry to rethink what an electric car could be and who could afford one. The price war was BYD's weapon, and it was wielded with devastating precision. In a single stroke, BYD didn't just disrupt the market, it rewrote the rules of the global auto industry. How does BYD sell a car for under $8,000 and still profit? The answer: radical vertical integration. Unlike most automakers, BYD controls nearly every step of production, from mining lithium and making batteries to producing semiconductors and even glass. This self-sufficiency slashes costs and shields BYD from supply chain shocks. Founder Wang Chuanfu's vision was clear: own the core technologies, especially batteries, to dominate the EV future. BYD's in-house approach means it can absorb price wars and adjust costs internally, a feat rivals can't match. The impact is seismic. Ford's CEO admitted Western automakers simply can't compete on cost. Legacy brands are stuck with outdated processes and complex supplier webs, while BYD's system is built for the new era. This structural advantage gives BYD a head start that may prove insurmountable. The BYD Xiaomi factory visit was more than just a photo op. It marked a pivotal moment in the evolution of the global automotive industry. What we witnessed was the emergence of a new strategy, co-opetition, where fierce competitors become unlikely collaborators. In China, rival companies are now working side by side, sharing breakthroughs in key technologies and building interconnected supply chains. This spirit of collaboration is accelerating innovation at a pace that Western firms are struggling to keep up with, fundamentally changing the rules of the game. The partnership between BYD and Xiaomi is a prime example, built on years of mutual trust and shared benefit. For years, BYD has supplied batteries for Xiaomi's smartphones, powering millions of devices across China and beyond. Now that same expertise is driving Xiaomi's first electric car, the SU7, bringing the two companies even closer together. At the 2024 Beijing Auto Show, both CEOs took the stage to publicly praise each other's vision and commitment to innovation, signaling a new era of shared resources and collective strength. By pooling their expertise, BYD's world-class manufacturing and Xiaomi's cutting-edge software, they're transforming cars into rolling smart devices, seamlessly blending mobility with digital connectivity. This new model is turning vehicles into platforms for communication, entertainment, and productivity, redefining what it means to drive. Legacy automakers in the West are racing to catch up, trying to adapt to this rapidly shifting landscape, but China's co-opetition model is moving faster, outpacing traditional approaches and setting new industry standards. The result? A formidable challenge to the old global order, as China's automotive industry reshapes the future of mobility worldwide. For years, Western automakers underestimated Chinese EVs, dismissing them as cheap copies. That illusion shattered as BYD's price war and alliances exposed a deep competitive gap. Ford's CEO openly admitted Chinese firms hold a major advantage in cost, technology, and speed. It's not just about labor, it's about integrated supply chains and rapid innovation. In China, BYD dethroned Volkswagen as the top-selling brand, selling over 4 million cars in 2024. VW scrambled to launch a new, affordable EV platform just for China, a sign of desperation. Legacy automakers are squeezed, gas car sales are falling, EV transitions are costly, and BYD is driving down prices and margins. The race is now for survival, not just market share. As Western governments turn to tariffs to block Chinese EVs, BYD is already a step ahead. Its boldest move building factories in Mexico, bypassing US tariffs and gaining access to North America. This isn't just about production, it's a geopolitical play, putting pressure on US automakers at home. BYD is also building plants in Hungary, Brazil, and Thailand, embedding itself in local economies and dodging trade barriers. This global footprint makes BYD resilient to geopolitical tensions and hard to isolate. Even used Chinese EVs are crossing borders, undermining tariff protections. BYD's message, "We will not be contained." It's becoming a truly global automaker, not just an exporter. For Western rivals, tariffs alone won't be enough. They must learn to compete on fundamentals. BYD's shockwaves, from price cuts to global expansion, are forging a new automotive world order. The century-old dominance of American, German, and Japanese giants is crumbling. For consumers, this means cheaper, more advanced, and more connected cars than ever before. Features once reserved for luxury models are now standard, and the smart device on wheels is a reality. For automakers, the future is uncertain. Survival demands radical reinvention, streamlined supply chains, and new collaborations. Many legacy brands may not survive the shakeout. BYD's rise is a historic shift, showing how scale, technology, and bold strategy can upend an industry in just a few years. The car industry will never be the same, and the changes underway will define mobility for generations.